Hi all, in this video we are going to see how to include effects and animation in a web page using jQuery. So to know about how to create a jQuery, you can refer my previous video. And now I have used the environment as VS Code to give the demo of this creating an effects and animation in jQuery. And to start with, this is the page I have developed already. The outline of the page will be look like with a division tag and with various buttons and one paragraph tag and then again a division tag with a button. So there are various effects available in the jQuery such as hide, show, toggle, fade in, fade out, fade toggle, slide down, slide up and slide toggle. And also we can apply some animations also using a function called as animate. So to start with, we are going to define the first button click. The first button represents the hide effect. So we have to identify the division tag. The division tag will be identified by the ID called as D1. There we have a function called as hide. So when we have this function and I am going to click the button, the corresponding division tag will be hidden from the screen. And to give a slight effect, so we can give in 3000 milliseconds. So the hiding will be happen in a slow transition. Or we can give the values directly with the thing called as slow, fast and medium. So I can just give it slow. So that also you can get the slow effect. And now we can go with the show effect. So I'm going to go with the next function. There I can identify my D1 dot show. So here also I'm going to give some transition effect. So just go here. First I will hide it and next I try to show it. So based on my 3000 milliseconds interval, so the element get shown. So the next thing is the toggle function. The toggle function allows you to make a toggle between show and hide. If the element is shown, it will be hidden. If the element is hidden, it will be shown. So to identify the element, we are using D1 dot toggle, then give the time interval. So you can go here, give toggle, so it will be hidden. And now it is hidden. When you click the toggle, it will be shown. And the next thing is fade in and fade out. So here also you identify the corresponding division tag. Then we can use the function called as fade in. So first thing we have to fade out and then we have to fade in. So we have to give the function fade in. And same thing, I can use a function with fade out. So now we will go here. First click fade out. It will be fading. And next we are clicking fade in. So it will be visible. And next thing is slide out or slide down and slide up. So same function. We are just using a function called as slide down. And same thing, we have a function called as slide up. So slide up and slide down. So first I will use slide up. So it will be moving in the up direction. Slide down, it will be moving in the down direction. And now the next thing what I am going to do is, when I click this paragraph tag, the values or the element of the paragraph tag has to hide. So to work with, you identify the paragraph tag. When the paragraph tag got clicked, that element need to be invisible. So to make it, use the dollar symbol. The same paragraph tag only, I need to make it as invisible. So I can use with the keyword this. Then I can use the function hide. Then I can give the effect. So now you can see here, when I click this hide from the screen. The last thing we are going to do is the animation. So I want to move the particular element in my screen to the left and enlarging with the height, width and also enlarging the size of the font. So this I am going to apply in the second division tag. I have given the style for the second division tag, height, width, background, and the important thing we have to give the position. And now we can go here for the button click. When the button is clicked, I need to identify my division tag first. So division tag got identified. I'm going to store it in a variable. And now I'm using a function in the jQuery called as animate. Okay. In the animate function, what are the animation effects you want to give? That animation effects, you give it in a curly bracket separated with comma. So I'm going to give, it need to move in the left side for the 300 pixel. And then it has to change the height and the width. So height need to be changed to some 300 pixel. And the next thing, width need to be changed to 300 pixels. And followed by the font size also need to be changed. So the font size, I am going to give it 42 pixel. So this effect I need to do it in a interval. So I am going to give it a value. So now we will save it and then go here, click the button, move in the left direction, changing the height, changing the width and also the font weight get increased. I hope you have enjoyed this video and also you have known about the various jQuery effects and animation that can be included in a web page. Thank you.